Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Miss Vocabulary. So today's video is gonna be tad bit different. Why? Because today we're gonna be unboxing my new laptop, which is ASUS Vivobook 15. This is 11th gen laptop. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it and open my laptop. So I'm gonna open it like this. So they have given this cardboard sheets for extra protection and all that. So first of all, we will move this cardboard piece. Okay, alright. So this is our laptop basically. This is wrapped up in the sheet for protection reasons. Yeah, alright. So this is the laptop. Now I'm gonna open it. Okay, alright. So this is the actual thing. It's very sleek and it's very lightweight, and also it's like outer cover is very shiny. I like the color actually. And I think like most of the ASUS laptop are just like this itself. Yeah, so we opened it. You can see here. Alright, now we are going to remove this protective sheet here. So this is the actual laptop. It's very shiny, and now I'm going to switch it on. So this laptop has 4 GB RAM and the internal memory is like 284 GB and something. So I've already like opened it once and did the setting. I updated the operating system to Windows 11 because Windows 10 was pre-installed, and then I updated it. Yeah. And the most unique feature about this laptop is this: it has this fingerprint unlock system. So it becomes very easier to just get into your laptop. It doesn't take a lot of time. Yeah, so this is the laptop. This is the screen. The screen is quite wide and the finish is very glossy and very matte as well. Yeah, so this is the laptop. I have updated it to Windows 11, so you can see here. And this touchpad works as a mouse itself, but I have got a wireless mouse for this. I'll connect it in front of you now. And now let's open the other things and accessories that I have got along with it. We'll keep this laptop here. Yeah, so in this section of this cardboard, we have the laptop charger. You can see this. You're gonna get this. And this wireless mouse, I have bought it separately. The laptop I got from Flipkart, and this mouse I got it from Amazon. And you can see this is a wireless mouse. What you have to do is just insert like a battery in this. See, I have inserted it. And now I will tell you how to connect this wireless mouse with your laptop. So on the opposite side of this mouse, we have this Bluetooth connector, right? This is a port. Now we will insert this into the laptop, just like I did. Yeah. Now you can see the LED light is on. Now if I move it, the cursor is moving. So this is very easy and convenient. You know, you can just put your mouse wherever you want and just operate the laptop. So that's basically it, and that's basically all the things I've shown you, and I've done the unboxing. and I really like the performance. The laptop is not lagging, it's working very smoothly. Also, its processor is like 11 gen, so it's very fast and it doesn't lag. So that's all, and thank you. I'll be bringing many more new video, because like from past 1 month or so I'm not able to upload any lengthy video. Why? Because I was very preoccupied. I had many other things, which was of utmost priority for me. So I'll be coming up with new video in the upcoming time, and meet you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.